when Realme Band 1 was launched, it was compared with the Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 5, and it was obvious that Mi Bands were better choices as compared to Realme Band 1 because of amount of features that they have to offer. But with Realme Band 2, Realme has fixed it with big screen, big battery, and great performance overall, and SPO2 sensors and all the things that you need basically. Now this is an actual competitor to the Mi Band 5. Should you buy the Realme Band 2, which is available at 3000 rupees, 5000 cheaper as compared to the Mi Band 5? Let's find out. First of all, let's look at the display itself. This is a 1.4-inch display and it is huge, it is big, it can become very bright, no issues whatsoever. Let it be outdoors usage, indoors usage. I used it outdoors as well and I had no issues with this particular display quality. And it is that the entire screen, it's touch screen basically. The only downside, I won't really say downside, but the only thing that you may have to think about is that this is an LCD panel. Now, do you need an OLED panel in this particular form factor when you have 1.4 inch of display? Then I feel like it would have been very good if it would have been AMOLED or OLED panel. But when you have 1.4 inches of OLED panel, the pricing is going to increase. We saw that Mi Band 5 had slightly bigger display, but we also saw a drastic change in pricing. 3500 rupees for the Mi Band 5 is a good pricing, but not something that is very aggressive or competitive. Whereas now that Realme Band 2 is launched at 3000 rupees, it feels as if this is competitively priced. If you are looking to buy a band with huge display, then Realme Band 2 definitely offers that. Now this is one of the watch faces that I have set. You can change these watch faces from here itself, or you can change them from the app itself, which I'll show you in the later part of this video. I'll just change it to this. Now this one still has that green dot at the top, and this shows that means that there is some notification, and this green dot does not go away unless and until I scroll to the notifications and go through them once. As you can see, okay, so let's go over here. There you go. Now the green dot is not there, but that green dot is something which I found little bit annoying. I think it should have been slightly smaller as compared to what its size right now. You can view the notifications from the top. You can clear all the notifications as well, and let me just clear all the notifications. And as you can see, it takes little bit of time to do that, and notifications are not synced with your phone, by the way. When you swipe up, you get workout, activity, heart rate, SPO2, activity. Okay, the earlier was activity record, sleep record, stress monitoring, weather, notifications, breathe, event reminder, Realme Link, music controls, alarm, timer, stopwatch, camera, flashlight, find my phone, and settings. Finally, we do not have anything else, but I received one notification right now and the green dot is back, and the green dot is so huge that it is interfering with the watch face that I have. Even if I set this watch face which says Tuesday and 28, the green dot is still overlapping. The green dot should be on the left or on the right where it will not interfere with the watch faces. That's one of my major complaints right now, and I hope it gets fixed pretty soon. Now on the right side, it shows all the steps, kilocalories, minutes, and all that you have burned. You can do weather, can be seen here. And that's it. When you swipe to the right, you get all these quick setting tiles. You can change do not disturb, days to wake. You can change the brightness, and that was not the maximum brightness which I showed you earlier. This is the maximum brightness basically. This is lowest brightness possible. Let's go up, up, up. Yeah, this is the maximum brightness. One of the complaints here once again is that if I go to brightness setting, there is no option of auto brightness, which should have been there in my opinion. Screen timeout can be changed to 15 seconds, which is a good thing, and vibration strength can be changed manually as well. Rest of the options that we have covered already. Now let's talk about the build quality. Overall, the band strap feels really good. It feels like a solid band strap. It's just that this part of the bottom part of the band strap can be moved very easily, but this part requires little bit of extra force. Not complaining, but I am not sure if this was a peculiar design choice or this something happened at the end, but the bands can be replaced very easily. On the back side, we have the charging mechanism over here, heart rate monitor sensor, and we also get the SPO2 sensor. Now the band is made out of plastic material, so it does feel good to hold in hand, but it does not give you metal feeling. At the price tag of 3000 rupees, you should definitely not expect metal bands. That's not going to happen. Now, should you buy this over other watches which are present in the price segment of 3000 rupees? I feel like the band has much better display as compared to some of the watches which are present at the price tag of 3000 rupees. You get better quality band display as such, you get good battery life, better than some of the watches once again. But then should you prefer the Realme Band 2 over the Mi Band 5? That's a different comparison. I feel like Mi Band 5 is slightly smoother as compared to how the Realme Band 2 feels. I did not face any lags on the Realme Band 2, but it's just that in my testing I felt that Mi Band 5 was faster to respond to my touches as compared to Realme Band 2. It could have been the logos and it could have been that animations on the Mi Band 5 have been optimized very well, as you can see over here. Whereas if I do it, the animations do not feel as smooth as they feel on the Mi Band 5. I'll just do that once again. There you go. The entire watch face moves when I do go up, but in the Realme Band 2, the watch face does not go up, we just overlap this. So it's just an animation thing which I must have felt. But otherwise, overall, I enjoyed the Realme Band 2. This is the competition that can definitely compete with the Mi Band 5. If you decide to go with the Realme Band 2 over the Mi Band 5, I will say that that's not a bad choice at all. If you look at the Realme Link application, this is the Realme Band 2 face gallery. You can change watch faces. There are multiple watch faces present, call reminders, notifications, all can be set. And it does show you notifications pretty quickly. No issues over there. Find My Phone is also present. That is enabled, obviously. Find My Band is present. We'll just try that. And the band has started vibrating already. Okay. Yeah, that's working. If you want to check the health data, then you cannot check it from the Realme Band application itself. If I go to workouts, it does not show me workout. It just shows which options to be present on the Realme Band 2. If you want to check the health data, you have to come all the way out. Then you have to go to the health tab, which is present here. And then it will show you all the data. I'll just... On this day when I walked a lot, it shows 4,562 steps. I burned these many calories, distance of 2.1 miles, which can be changed to kilometers obviously. And I walked for about 10 minutes, which I definitely did not walk for 10 minutes. I walked for almost 20 to 25 minutes, because of which the steps and the distance is so high. I cannot walk 2.1 miles in just 10 minutes. That is not possible. That is not walking, that is running. So when it comes to tracking features as such, Realme Band 2 can get better and should get better with software updates in the future. But when it comes to SpO2 or heart rate measurement, the device was good. Once again, as I said in my Mi Band 5 review, do not depend on these watches or bands for SpO2 readings. Kindly use a dedicated SpO2 meter for that. If you want to measure heart rate, continuous heart rate measurement, if you want to keep that on, then definitely do that on both these bands. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Realme definitely made a very good band this year, and this is a very good competition to the Mi Band 5. Couple of suggestions: that this green dot which stays, it is over there right now as well, should not be there, and tracking should be slightly better if they want to compete with Mi Band 5, which is very good in that department. But definitely a worthy competitor to each other, and Realme has done it with the Realme Band 2 this time. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, share, all that stuff you know already. If you have any doubts, comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.